Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do another quick unboxing of another Neewer product. I've gotten two of these and they're called the Neewer Super Clamp Ball Head Magic Arm Camera Clamp with Cold Shoe, which is quite a mouthful. Anyway, here's the box. Give you a shot of those QR codes. Pop this open. I've gotten this off Amazon pretty much with the rest of the Neewer products that I got. And I ordered them all on Amazon Prime days. Instruction booklet. Clamp itself. With another foam clamp if you need it. If you don't already have one, one comes in the box. Along with this mounting piece. But the clamp itself is really nice. Got two ball joints, there's one here and one here. I will get it close to the camera here in a minute. Just want to have a look at it. Feels like all aluminum construction, except for the top of the wing nuts here. Those are plastic. But everything else, oh, and then the feet here are also plastic. Open this up. These little feet have rubber padding on them. The same thing with the inside, it's rubber padding. And both of these ball joints, you probably can't see it, but both of them have, they're grooved. So that will help when you go to clamp it down. That'll give it more of a grip. Yeah, so far I'm really impressed with all of Neewer products so far. This is now my fourth product from them. On Amazon Prime days, I ordered the stand, the ST200, two of these super clamps, their phone holder, and two of their lights. They're tube lights. So I'll bring this closer to camera so you guys can have a better look at it in case you're looking for one of these. Chair out of the way. Like I said, it's really nice build quality. I don't think you're going to be disappointed if you order these. I know I'm not, and I haven't been for any of their products. They've all been excellent so far. Yeah, you'll be able to clamp that down with lots of force. Same with these. You might be able to tell now, both of those balls, you can see the grooves all the way around. That'll definitely help. Even as I'm trying to force on it now and turn it. And I haven't tightened this down much at all. It's gripped really, really well. So you'll be able to get lots of different angles with this clamp. Looks like the same. I don't know if that's paint or if this has been anodized. But very nice, either way. So there you go, guys. Very short video on the Neewer Super Clamp. If you're in the market again for something like this, go and check it out. Just starting to notice something. This looks like a threaded pass through. Not sure what that's for. I don't know if it's got something to do with this. I don't know if you guys can tell. See inside there? It's threaded all the way through. And same but down here. And there's another slot here, I guess, for another attachment. So I don't know if that's got something to do with that. This is brand new to me, so I've just taken it out of the box. Haven't had the chance to use these or play around with them. Let's go through the manual later on and see if these are additional attachment points. And this one here has a indent, whereas this one doesn't. Same on the other side. All right, I'm going to end the video right there. So, hope that helps. Check it out if you're looking for a clamp, Neewer Super Clamp. All right, please like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and we'll see y'all on the next video. All right, later.